Imagine this, you have a new staff and you want to add with a new sub-account, but only the boss has the permission. And the boss is busy, the team has to wait, and the work stops. This is our previous layer. Our new update, we add another layer which is the admin in the middle. So even when boss is not around, the admin can help to add the sub-account on behalf, like this. You should start using this admin role if you start facing any of these situations. Scenario 1, the growing team. You have operation staff, you have customer service, you have warehouse staff. Every time someone joins, you don't want to add a sub-account, set a new permission, set a new password. Scenario 2, you don't want staff to see sensitive data. Cost, profit, financial data. Not everyone should see this. Scenario 3, you want to control without micromanaging. You trust your admin, but you still want to have the final control, right? This update is exactly for these all three cases. How to set this up? Setting up is very simple, only 2 steps. First, go to Setting, find Role, Add Role. Give the role with a name, for example, Admin Sub-Account Management. Add a short description so you know what this role is for. Scroll down to the permissions. For this admin role, we enable, for example, sub-account management, role management if needed. You can also enable other functions if required. Anything sensitive, you can keep it disabled here. This is how you make sure your team cannot access to sensitive data too. Step 2. Add the admin sub-account. Go to the sub-account management, click Add Sub-Account. Let's say I want to add a user called Jamie, set the password, then select the admin role we just created. You can choose which stores this admin can access, which warehouses, specific product categories or all products if needed. Everything is controlled over here. After saving, you will see a small admin icon next to the account. This means that this user is now an admin. That's all for these updates on the sub-account and also admin role. If you want a tutorial for a specific topic, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe BigSeller step-by-step tutorial. Bye!